to start with the part 7 of this stuff which we are discussing in detail about the IoT related technologies and the connectivities and all. So cloud computing in IoT I'm going to start with. Now when we talk about the cloud computing, so cloud computing key details I am going to discuss. Firstly, the role of the cloud computing in IoT. So that is for the data storage mainly. Okay, because of the data storage, we need the cloud. And centralized data storage, like mostly we have the centralized data storage when you are saving your data at one place. But when we talk about the cloud storage, that is distributed. So in the cloud, when we go, so cloud computing provide a centralized platform also for storing vast amount of IoT data. Like for us, when we are storing our data, so it will be on the cloud, and that time it is centralized for us. So with different, like you can say, the devices which are spread across various locations. So simply, ultimately, it is distributed, but for us, it is centralized. So the cloud acts as a unified repository where all the data is collected, stored, and managed. Okay. Then simply the benefits of this is like simply this centralization simplifies data management, making it easier to aggregate, analyze, and access the data from anywhere in the world. Because simply when it is on the cloud, you can access it from anywhere, wherever you go. With the help of the internet connection, you will be able to access the data in a very, very easier manner. Then the second point could be like data processing and analytics. With the help of cloud, how we are making it possible. So the cloud platform offer powerful computing resources also that can process and analyze the IoT data in real time or batch mode. And this is essential for generating insights and enabling automated decision making. Now, by leveraging the cloud like based analytic tools, organizations can perform complex data processing also, because they don't have to keep everything in their system. You are going to work on a project, you are not going to keep everything on your system, because the cloud platforms are providing us the like valuable resources, and we don't have to worry about it. Like simply, if you talk about the Google Colab also, so at the time when you use the Google Colab, which is a cloud based platform for the machine learning, data science kind of stuff which we do, the coding. So that time, like it's very easier for us with the help of Google Colab, because all the machine learning and all things are present there. Even there are many online tools like Repellate and Google Colab, which gives us the higher processing powers, RAMs, and all free of cost. We don't have to maintain it in our offline systems. Then the next is the seamless integration. So cloud computing allows IoT devices and applications to seamlessly integrate, okay, with various other cloud services, such as machine learning and big data analytics and artificial intelligence. So these things things are there. Then if we talk about the benefits, so this integration enhances the functionality of IoT systems. Okay. So how simply with the help of the sophisticated data-driven applications which we have there. Now simply when we talk about the data backup and disaster recovery, so that is also very easy for us when we talk about the cloud computing, because the cloud is having our data, and it's not actually the thing which is with us. Okay, it's simply with the cloud, it's not with us. So now the cloud offers reliable data backup and disaster recovery options, so ensuring that IoT data is protected against the loss due to hardware failure or cyber attacks or natural disasters. Now the benefits, if we talk about, so this ensures continuity and minimizes downtime, which is crucial for mission critical IoT applications. So simply when we talk about the second advancement, that is simply the advantage of cloud storage in IoT. The first point which comes into the picture, that is the scalability, and the cloud storage is highly scalable, allowing organizations to easily expand. Scalable means we can expand it, we can shrink it according to the requirement. Shrinking was also possible there. I will share with you the references for the cloud. I will definitely share it with you today only, so I will suggest you that go through it, because simply that is necessary. All the, like there are 10 videos approximately I will share with you, and you have to watch them for understanding more about today's lecture. So simply, this is particularly important as IoT deployments scale up and generate more data. Simply, when we talk about the like benefits, so organizations can accommodate increasing data storage needs without the hassle of upgrading physical infrastructure. We do not have to worry about upgrading the physical infrastructure because cloud is having the distributed architecture and they are storing the data on different locations. So simply, physical architecture is maintained by them, by the companies which are providing us the cloud. I will talk about that also, like the AWS, like Amazon Web Services and the Azure, Microsoft Azure, or the Google Cloud Platform. So there are different service providers with the help of which we can get the cloud storage, and that is very scalable in nature. Then next thing is that accessibility. So we can definitely access it from anywhere, anytime, according to our requirement with the help of the internet connection. So this is essential for IoT applications that require real-time data access and remote monitoring also. Like users and systems can interact with the IoT data from different locations, enhancing collaboration, responsiveness, and operational efficiency also. Then when we talk about the advantage of cloud storage, so somehow cloud actually provides us the cost effectiveness also. So we do not have to spend much into the offline data acquisition that we are spending on the hard disk or the data storage devices, with the help of which we will be able to store the data on our offline systems. We can just upload the data and our applications on the cloud, and we will be easily able to access it on a very less amount of payments, approximately like it is as pay as you go basis. So simply it will be not very costly when you use it. So cloud storage eliminates the need for significant upfront investment in the physical storage infrastructure, and organizations pay for only the storage they use, often on a subscription or a pay as you go basis, as I said. And the benefits could be that this reduces the capital expenditure and allows for better budget management, making IoT projects more financially viable. Then the advancement could be like automatic updates and maintenance. So cloud providers handle all updates, maintenance, and security patches for the storage infrastructure. And this ensures that system is always up to date and secure without requiring manual intervention. So automatic updates are there. We do not have to worry about anything, and the maintenance is also getting done there. The organization can focus on their core operations without worrying about managing storage infrastructure. That is the benefit out of it. Then the enhanced security is there. So cloud providers implement advanced security measures, including the encryption, multi-factor authentication, and the compliance with industry standards. So simply including the encryption, multi-factor authentication, that is the two-factor authentication most of the time, and the compliance with the industry standards to protect the IoT data. And like these robust security features help safeguard sensitive IoT data against the breaches, ensuring data integrity and